Dawn breaks over ancient Kyoto as the first vanguard strides across moss-draped stone. Lacquered armor catches the morning light, while curved blades rest at their sides. These early warriors move with synchronized purpose, forging disciplined presence where court politics demand order. Generations later, the sea churns beneath wooden hulls as naval warriors leap onto rival decks. Straight swords gleam under the blazing sun while climbing hooks bite into timber. Their fluid precision embodies a fierce loyalty that will cement a new dynasty upon the way. As the age of pure conquest settles, masterless minds turn their focus inward. Within shadowed council chambers, legal architects carve principles of duty into thick scrolls. Their quiet deliberations transform martial tradition into written law, ensuring honor. Yet foreign fleets soon darken the horizon, testing the coastal defenders' resolve. Spears level toward incoming hulls, while shields brace against the salt wind. Standing firm upon rocky shores, these warriors channel an unyielding spirit. When the imperial throne fractures, loyalists retreat into dense mountain forests. Silent footsteps carry sealed decrees through canopy shadows, each man bearing the weight of exile. Their masterless resolve hardens in rebellion, preserving legitimacy where political winds no. Centuries pass, and the battlefield transforms as matchlock fire shatters ancient walls. Ashigaru and samurai scale, wooden palisades under stark dust, their coordinated advance marking a new era. Combined firepower and relentless discipline finally yield the castle gates to. Amidst the clamor of war, scholars retreat to quiet tatami chambers to refine the soul of the warrior. Ceramic bowls pour with deliberate grace, while tea scoops trace subtle shifts. Here, martial discipline elevates into aesthetic practice, weaving honor as rival clans converge upon a single decisive valley. Commanders gather beneath canvas tents, bronze compasses trace terrain routes, while leather satchels hold the weight of strategy. Their unified vision aligns fractured forces for a clash that will shape the nation. With the land finally pacified, shogunal enforcers march along moonlit stone pathways, their naginata blades resting steady, lanterns casting flickering light over wooden gates, scanning for any unauthorized movement. Their measured vigilance enforces a fragile peace, ensuring order. Yet when lords fall, masterless wanderers navigate bustling market streets shaped by shifting tides. Worn katanas cut through crowded alleys as straw hats adjust to the sun. Their quiet confidence embodies resilience, proving that honor requires no. Desperation soon drives rebel fighters onto steep mountain ramparts against overwhelming imperial columns. Yari spears rise toward the sky while patched armor braces against the wind. United in shared defiance, they hold their ground, embodying an unyielding spirit forward. As foreign envoys approach the imperial gates, loyal guards stand rigid upon stone steps. Leather straps tighten around wooden staffs, while focused eyes monitor the perimeter. Their disciplined presence becomes a final symbol of fading feudal order, bracing against political. The abolition of ancient classes leaves former warriors walking newly paved avenues with quiet dignity. Wool coats adjust to urban winds as bronze compasses track a transformed era. Their measured strides reflect a profound adaptation, carrying martial grace into modern. When the final rebellion ignites across open plains, cavalry advances with controlled momentum. Lances grip tightly while riding crops adjust leather reins under golden light. Their staggered formation bridges centuries of tradition with modern warfare, marching toward an inevitable conclusion. Surviving these conflicts, former swordsmen take their places within newly constructed ministry halls. Fountain pens draft policy documents, while wooden rulers review ledgers with calculated precision. Martial discipline seamlessly transitions into civic governance, ensuring the code. Within quiet wooden dojos, tradition keepers preserve ancient techniques for generations yet unborn. Bamboo swords demonstrate controlled strikes against wooden targets, while masters observe subtle posture shifts. Their steady breathing ensures the philosophy of honor survives. As neon lights replace torches, wandering archetypes navigate urban alleys shaped by fading loyalties. Worn leather cases rest against broad shoulders, while fedoras adjust to city shadows. Their contemplative focus embodies an enduring spirit, adapting time. Expanded text. Decades later, traditional masters still guide students in open gravel courtyards, where the rustle of footsteps meets the sharp crack of wooden bokken slicing air. With quiet authority and patient eyes, they observe every posture. In quiet reading rooms, historical preservationists document the legacy of masterless warriors for future scholars. Leather-bound volumes turn carefully under focused eyes, while magnifying glasses trace ancient illustrations. Their intellectual stewardship safeguards. Today, modern inheritors gather within ancient temple courtyards to reflect on timeless principles. Smooth river stones rest in contemplative hands, while bronze compasses track shifting winds. Their quiet resonance ensures the philosophy of resilience remains a